Hello, welcome back to another video with Fix It Vic, and today we're going to be fixing my sister's RCA 10 inch tablet. And so let's see what's wrong with it. Wow. I've seen this happen before because now we have to fix it again. How many times do we have to fix it? Probably because it fell down my stairs and the thing. I think the thing is dirty, or we'll have to get a new one. I'll just put it right here for now. And then I have to screw out this one. And remember last time I said we were fixing a Ford Explorer? I said about our Minecraft videos. Now we got the old computer version Minecraft, and it was for free.
Okay, we're gonna pause.
They were back. They were 4 screws that I had to get out. Let me see, go hand. And my sister is helping me since it's hers tablet. And we want to make sure that we don't break it, or if we break it, then we'll have to buy a new one for her. Okay. I can't believe I'm doing this. If you want to know how old I am 7 years old.
Yeah, okay.
And also we need to have a flat object or a knife or something like that, like a flat screwdriver. And we have to point it the way it's not facing, so if you do it like this and it slips, you could hit your stomach. So we're going to flip this case lid. Okay, now since we have to put it all the way around and make sure that it pops. Okay, that one's good.
She has 2 hands.
It's almost out. I can feel it. That's also kind of a joke.
What's a joke?
That I could feel it. Like some people say I could feel it, and I'm sorry, I could actually feel it. Well, technically, I'm not the Joker, so I won't be laughing that much. Okay. That was close. Okay, I think I still need that too. I'm gonna pull it up like. Okay. Now since we did all that, we pull this off. And look at that. That is the RCA inside the RCA, and I wouldn't like to turn it on if I were you. Okay, we're back, and if you've seen, this is the camera. Wait, is that the camera? I think that's the thing that connects to the keyboard. Yeah, this is the camera. This is the thing that connects to the keyboard, which is the case. This is the battery. And see, we're just going to plug that right off. Ooh, ooh. There. And pull it out, and we need to clean it with something hard. Like this. Well. Like that. I think we...
Both sides.
And last time we did that, it was this second there. And I think we're done cleaning it. So now we just put it under that wire, put it out like that, slide it right back into there. Ah. Are you sure it's plugged in? Okay. Now you should make sure it's all tight and ready, and get the screws. So I'm gonna get these. Make sure it's fully in, or the screws won't fit in, and also it won't be ready. And you should not turn this on when you're fixing it. I think this is what we did last time. Oops. I did this wrong. It's not even connected. How do we get this out? I think we'll have to pause it. Okay, I needed to click it so it's down a little. And also we had to clean it because I don't think I did it right. So this screw would go in there, doesn't have to be in order since they're all the same school. And we didn't want to make a video of the PS3 because we thought it would break again. We had to fix the laser last time. And we had to start everything all over, all our games. But this time, we're not. Okay, I just need to get this in. And then we're going to test it out, see if it works. And we won't put off the power, because if we do that, we won't be able to turn it on. It's even more broken. Now it has black this time and white lines. Let's try it again. Although we had to go through it and fix it again. And also, when we fixed it, the speaker broke, so she can't use any music. Wait, she can. With those stuffy bear, like the stuffy bear thing. Teddy bear. So let's see if it's working. Kind of good. Bye! And here you go. Remember, it's so easy that a 7-year-old could do it. And it's broken again. Well, goodbye!